Welcome back to Mr. Green Mechanic Shop. This is my next project. Rebuilding, well, not for a year, it's for school. Rebuilding my dad's lawnmower motor. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I'll get video of this at a later date. I believe it, so here's the story. We ran it at the beginning of the summer, and I think I already been to the spring, because the sun's about to go down. I can barely see the sun. I must come home. And I think what happened is it lost compression to one of the cylinders. Because as you can see, and yes, our neighbors have goats. As you can see, this wire is unhooked. And this purple wire unhooked. But also, my dad put new sparklers in it. And it was like running on, I believe, one cylinder. This thing runs on, it still runs, but it lost compression to one of the cylinders. So it needs to be rebuilt. And that's what my project will be for next year. It's coming up here in the next week. Because next week we start school again. So you guys won't see videos during the day, but you'll see videos after school.